Guys, I'm gonna play Roblox today and Auntie Lang. I love you, Auntie.
Minsan na lamang umano itong binibisita.
I was like take like
Sa mga matuklasan ng mga kamag-anak, nawawala sa loob ng bahay.
So I'm gonna send them videos because I'm already a 20-year chaser. I want to be a 20-year chaser as I go up. You already see. You're already seeing my mommy sister actually. Tita, wait here. I'm recording. I'm recording.
Okay. Nagulit pa dyan. Nagwas pa dyan siyang pitoy.
Mula sa bahay.
Yan. Kasi doon yung magtuwa si Tuyal. Pwede sa'yo. Itong sa silang. Pagkahuman. Ice. Diba? Yan ang ice ron.
Mama, manifest na mama,
Pwede
manifest.
ko pa rin sa freezer ang ice.
Manifest. Oh, mamakas, mamakas.
I already have a pet hermit crab
Pangit naman ang
and
pangit. Pangit. Is mama pangit?
no.
Yes. Kita nanti pangit.
No.
Kita pangit.
No.
No. Dada pangit?
No.
No. Ada ada pangit?
No. Ma, you are the one.
Dong, hit ka rin dong. Chicken leg. Chicken leg.
No. No one to eat. You're the one. You're the one who's angry. No, I'm about to finish at like the Papa. Like at 6 a.m. I'm gonna finish.
Nagkita mo dong?
Okay. Yeah.
Sa'yo sudan.
Bye bye guys. See you later. Not yet. I'm gonna make a video tomorrow. I'm gonna play Roblox. Where's Xiang Xiang? So this is what I'm bored.
Wala, nagwas siya yung feet. Kinerti kayo ni ganyan sa playground.